So you've just finished your workout and you want to stretch properly so that you can recover well. Come with me now. We're going to take 5 to 7 minutes to recover our bodies after our workout. So you'll notice that I'm just walking through my feet. Join me here. Just walking and releasing through the calf muscles and really thinking about your breathing, especially if your heart rate's been high, especially if you've been out for a brisk walk or a run, or you've just come off the gym floor from weight training. And let's just move together. Just breathing, relaxing, feeling accomplished, mentally high-fiving yourself for the workout today. All right, we're going to start just by rolling down our head towards the floor. Soften the knees a lot and just roll down, relax through the shoulders, relax through the back of the neck, and then roll on up. And as you come up, roll your shoulders back. And let's do that a few times, just releasing through the lower spine. So if you have been doing a heavy weights workout today, or you had some deadlifts, some RDLs, and you notice it in the lower back, this is a chance to just release. Also releasing into the hamstrings and roll on up. Nice. And then one more. And when you get here, just bring your hands to the floor and come down onto your hands and knees. We did this one in our warm-up. It's a cat-cow. So drop the belly, take the eye gaze up, and then round through the spine. And just taking a few of these to release through the center of the back. So we hold our shoulder blades quite tight. This is a chance to relieve them. Excuse me. And then we're going to sit back into child's pose. So take the knees wide, big toes together, reach the arms forward, and you're going to stretch out the spine underneath the armpits, the triceps, and relax into the hips. If you can, drop your head down all the way to the floor. And just hold it there for a moment. Now take your right hand and cross it over the left. You're taking a side stretch with child's pose. So you feel a deep stretch into the left side of your body and into your left shoulder. And then take it over to the other side. Once you finish your workout and you get to these stretching moments, it feels so good. There's a sense of relief, but also a sense of accomplishment. Come on up, we're going to take a hip flexor stretch. So all you're going to do is take your left leg forward, keep your right leg behind you, and then drop your hips forward to stretch into your back hip flexor, the left side. So keep your chest up nice and tall. Good, and from here, fingertips down, we stretch back into what we call runner's lunge. Now we're going to move through these stretches, so we're going to come forward into your hip flexor, and then hands down and stretch back into your hamstrings. So a little bit of mobility, release, inhale, and exhale. And take one more, inhale, and exhale. And then slide the front leg to the back and step the other leg forward. Come up into your hip flexor stretch. So I like to do my recoveries with my shoes off. I just like to have that sense of grounding and not to feel encumbered by moving my feet on the mat with shoes on, and it makes it a little bit more difficult. So it's easier if you go barefoot or just with socks. Okay, fingers to the floor, stretch back for that first runner's stretch. Oh, that feels good, especially if you're a runner. Come on up, let the hips drop forward, proud through the chest, fingertips to floor, and pull back. Let's take a couple more. Inhale, fingertips to floor, exhale. And one more. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, we come over onto our back. We're going to release through our hips and our lower spine. So just make your way onto your back, and we're going to take a figure 4 stretch, and there's lots of ways to do this depending on your mobility. So take your left ankle across to your right knee. First version is lying on your back, foot stays on the floor, and press that left hand to the inner knee to externally rotate the hip. And if you can go a little bit more, you're going to reach behind your hamstring and draw the leg in a little closer. And this is really, really good to release the outer hips. The outer hips will get tight from most forms of exercise, not yoga and Pilates, but running, squatting, cycling, strength training. So we need to release it. Okay, from here, we're actually going to maintain this position, but we're going to drop the top foot down to the floor. So it's going to take a twist. So bring the foot across until it touches the floor, and you've maintained the position, and you can reach up with the opposite hand and look back towards your back hand. And if you want to go a little deeper with this lying twist, you can pull the knee down towards the floor, but it's completely up to you and how it feels on your lower spine. So don't overstretch it if you know that you have some issues with your lower back. Breathing into your spine, breathing into your outer hips, and then come on up. We're going to switch sides, so foot comes to the floor, right ankle to left knee, and then gently press. So if you took the first side in this position, come again. Otherwise, you're going to reach through, grab the hamstring, and lie your head back and relax. And think of lying on the beach. I don't think I would do this position, lying on my beach towel on the beach, but when I think of beaches, it makes me really happy and it helps to relax me. And then we're going to bring the foot down towards the floor. It touches, and then reach the hand across, reach the other arm back, and just taking a nice twist. Deep breath. And then come back to center, hug your knees in, give a really, really good squeeze. And to finish, we're going to stretch our whole body out nice and long, and stretch as long as you can, and then relax. I recommend that you probably stay on the floor for a couple of minutes and just think about breathing, because that actually also helps with your recovery. Is just take a couple of minutes of what we call shavasana in yoga, but it's also bringing together mind and body to help with recovery. So take that as an option, and I'll see you next time.